just touching base to make sure that you understand what's happening in class at the moment, because I know that there's been a few gaps, so I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. We know that your project is going to look a little bit different because you're doing this really practical type thing. So I guess what I'm kind of suggesting is number one, those dot points that we wrote in your book, they would be really useful for you to finish off. But I want you to really think about, don't do anything extra just because it's in the booklet. I want you to do things that are really practical to help you, to get to where we want to be with the proposal, okay? So we talked about the fact that it would be really good to see some background research in your pages and using that table, and you had a source there, which was really great, so I think that would be good. Then after that, we talked about how you didn't have to do all of booklet 6. So if you don't want to work through all of those activities, don't worry about it too much. I think probably the most important one is the SWOT, where we talk about the strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats. And to help with that, on YouTube, if you Google me and you get to my channel, I have some videos, and I'm gonna show you the one I'm talking about because there's a lot here, all the way down the bottom. That's a funny clip. Is some videos about step 1, SWOT your question. So this one here is really useful. Okay, now I'm not going to oh my god, why is my computer being so bad? I'm going to send you the link to that, and I'm going to put in this little document that I'm going to email you. That would be really useful. I think the other thing that would be really useful for you to think about is when we go back to these videos, you'll see that there's some planning. I think the main thing that I'd like to see you get through is just, now my internet's dead, is just to get some research sources. So, your planning booklet 6, the second to last page, it says planning activity 2, and it's a table. I really like you to focus your attention on that one, because that's going to really help you to think about what sorts of sources you need. So I'm just going to grab a copy if I have one. Yep. And I think that filling this table in, you can be quite practical. Yep. Okay. Where we could work through particular people you could talk to. We have people on staff who can help, seeing what we can find out about it online, and trying to get a range of different sources is really important. Okay. The other thing that I was thinking about is I'm not sure if Miss Kalishiri has had a chance to talk to you yet about psychology and community studies. I have an idea for you, and it would be great to talk to you about it. So if you're in on Monday, awesome, we can chat in person. But if not, I'm more than happy to chat over email. Okay. Hope you're staying well. Flick me through any evidence you get through, and we'll go from there. Have a good one.